If you don't know the rules, how you gonna play the game? But what I've in this setting right here, I'm able to take what you guys saying and deliver it in a whole nother arena, if you will, and that's in that prison system. Not only that, me and Coach E, we boots on the ground.
Yes, sir.
You know? And with that said, I'm gonna relinquish the mic to Brother Kenneth. I see his hand is up.
Hey,
but
before Ken goes
guys.
quick, yeah, love you too, Jerome, man. Before Ken goes real quick, I gotta speak on Jerome. You all like when the same way he felt my energy, I felt his energy. And when he told me his story, I said, oh my goodness, this is amazing. This is when, I don't care what they say, it's what you believe and what your system supports. So while he went in with all the bad stuff that was going on, he shifted that. He removed those layers, as he mentioned, and then the gates were free when he wasn't supposed to see daylight at all. And now you're giving back to we got to get him on the podcast, man, because yeah, they need to know, they need to hear more about you, Jerome, man, because my man is out here doing amazing things, and I look up to this brother.